Hey everybody, Happy New Year. It's January 10th and my dad and my brother and I were headed out to Athens, Tennessee at Creekside Hunting Preserve, and we're going to do some pheasant and chukar hunting, and it's really good practice for the dog, good dog training for the off season before she heads up to Kansas and South Dakota. So we're going to go over there and kill a few birds and have a good time, and I'm going to try and get it all on video. Wish us luck. What are you doing, Upland? What are you doing? Got the flank on. Kill some birds?
Ready, Hunter?
Yeah, I'm ready. No, I think you got it.
Like that? I got 1,001, 1,002. Whoa! 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 Here's where that other flew.
Yeah. Yeah, it was not far. My bad.
Ain't no problem. You don't know till I say so.
It's winter time. It's about gone, ain't it?
If I get snow, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You ready? Step
You
in.
just gotta let
Hey,
it get snow.
just put your foot up and under and kick it up. Girl, right here. Right here. Right here. Shoot it, shoot it. Right here. Good girl. Right here. So we got both of them.
There you go. I'm sure we'll get away from it.
I'm gonna do an update.
We've killed 5 chukars. Hunter made a mistake on one, which is okay. I think we ended up killing that at the end. I think we only had 1 bird get away from us out of 6. So.
Somebody's got to blister this bird.
Whoa.
Wait. It'll flush. Now get it.
Right here.
Here, girl. Drop.
Good girl.
Good girl. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
It's on the other side of the tree.
Collar on her flanks. man, this is short.
There's two.
Yeah.
Hey, come up even with that.
Everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
One behind.
Bring here, girl. Come here. Here.
Drop it.
Good girl. That's a good one. This barrel is very short.
Everybody ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Did you get that on film?
I did.
She just did a triple somersault.
She meant to do that.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
Drop.
Whoa. Right. Good shot. All right, now we finished up Chucker. What we doing now?
Hunting some pheasants. We got 6 of them, I think, right?
We shot how many chuckered? 19?
19 out of 20.
19 out of 20. Got one, got away. Oh, that's a good one.
Get out of here.
Get it right.
Reckon it was a shell you had?
You might not eject it.
might have.
Mine wasn't. Yep. You bring me a bird? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Drop it. Good girl. Hunt 'em up. You did. Girl.
Good girl. You ready?
Yes, sir. Nice one, got him. We're good. Yes, sir. Well, Drake, you didn't even shoot.
I just shot.
Oh, then we both blasted it.
Did we shoot at the same time?
I had to.
You did.
That was like insane. I thought I just shot.
Oakley. Good girl. Good, sit. Good girl, yeah. That's a good girl. Good Oakley.
Yeah, it's off. Yeah, you don't have to turn the remote off on these.
Did you kill any birds, Oakley?
Did you get any birds? Did you get any birds? Did you get any birds? Hey.
Looks like you killed some birds. Good girl. Good
That's
girl.
a good baby. Who's your good girl? Come on.
There you go. Got all the meat already dressed out. What do you think? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Good girl. Well, thank you guys again for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's always good to get out with your dog during the off season like that and practice with a couple birds, even if they're not wild. It really does prepare them for real life hunting situations. And make sure to subscribe and like this video and leave some comments down in the section below just about what you thought. And as always, spend time in the outdoors and enjoy creation. God bless, and thank you guys for watching again.